Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited 4-wheel drive, stock number E2197P. 35,000 miles on this one owner, clean auto check history report, billet silver metallic in color. You do receive Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5, leather interior. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Grand Cherokee is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover. Hooks on both sides, perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, paddle shifters for the 8-speed automatic transmission, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, along with dual zone automatic temperature control, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. 8-speed automatic transmission, manual shift capability. 4-wheel drive with 4-low. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and liftgate control. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee has a 3.6-liter V6, 295 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles per gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Grand Cherokee, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.